So in my first episode, I have shown how you can do a retro hunt in VirusTotal, but today there is something bigger. Okay, so you can use Intezer for this particular purpose, and how basically Intezer can help you. So I have already run some of my simulation over here. So if I quickly show you my file analysis section over here, now if you see this particular analysis section, so it was a malicious process. Okay, so now if you see this particular, so it was basically a trick bot. Okay, so now if you go to the detect and hunt section, you see svc host.exe was getting called by some blah blah blah.exe, right? So now this particular thing might have been ignored by your antivirus solution, because okay, let's be legit in that scenario that your antivirus will capture it. Okay, now what next? So you will think that okay, sbchost.exe, it's a legitimate process, again LoLbas, right? Now if you see in this process tree, so svc host is getting launched not by services, guys. So services is the parent process, but it is getting launched by something anomalous. Now if you can come to this particular section in Intezer, and you can leverage this information, because what Intezer actually does, if you have identified some detection mechanism, so after analyzing a dynamic file, it will try to map all of its libraries to identify what are the information that is essential for you to build your hunt hypothesis and hunt topologies, right? So in this particular area, you will see that the process tree, it's very important for you to identify what are the other machines, if the other machines onto your network are showing similar kind of capabilities or similar kind of behavior, right? So you can create your sigma rule, you can even create your rara rule based on this topology and based on this behavior, right? So let me show you another similar example. If I go to my, so you see this is a certutil.exe, guys. So it is named as certutil.exe, but if you come here quickly, so view the analysis section over here, so I believe it is you can see the file metadata over here, right? So it's a Microsoft Corporation file, so that means it's a legit process, guys. But why this process is suspicious? So that comes another part of our detection and hunt topology, what is phenomenal in this particular platform. So you see there is a process kelly.exe is getting launched by your certutil.exe, guys. So now certutil.exe is a legitimate process, you all know, right? So now why kelly.exe is getting launched? So you can build your hunt hypothesis, and you can go to your sim and you can create your sigma rule to identify how many machines are showing kelly.exe being present as a child process of certutil.exe. So that will give you a phenomenal detection capabilities, and you can directly hunt and identify what are the things that you need to look for that you might have missed already, right? So use this particular platform. So I'll say that in your free version you will get like 5 kind of hunt topologies or detection process. But what is the main intention, guys? So first go to this particular tool and sign up, right? So once you sign up, you will see, so it's absolutely free, right? Sign up is absolutely free. You can analyze your files. You can come here to this particular detect and hunt section. You can see top 5 the artifacts that is present for your particular file that you have submitted. And not only submitted file, you can come here to search for the hashes, search for the strings, search for the binaries and every stuff, guys, right? So that is a main thing for this particular tool. In my first episode, so I have explained all of those stuffs, and I'll leave the link in the description about if you want to know more about the Intezer platform. But the main intention is go sign up on this particular tool, leverage the hunt techniques that is tool is particularly providing, because LOL techniques is very essential in nowadays to understand. Okay, so you can come to this section, you can create your hypothesis and then utilize this particular platform to search whatever the correlation, because this particular platform has huge number of binaries and database that keeps on updating every day, every damn minute, right, guys? So leave it is that. And now if you feel that it's worth to upgrade your license, so definitely you can try that out for free, but you have to sign up with your organization address, email address, and by default I guess it will give you a chance to keep up on the trial version of it, right?